The HIMO Z20, the all-new foldable electric power bike. Whether you are commuting, exploring, or looking for a more exciting way to stay fit, this is the HIMO Z20, your new adventurous companion. Step your life up a gear and take your mobility to the next level. Power through any terrain with its high-efficiency DC brushless motor. Be ready for any expedition with a 10A capacity battery that will power up your ride and allow you to go for as far as 80 kilometers and enjoy both manual and power assistance cycling. Fold the bike in seconds. That's right, seconds. Keep your bike by your side, no matter where you go, thanks to its lightweight aluminum alloy frame. But what about all the bells and whistles? Charge your companion anytime, anywhere, using its removable lithium battery. Be prepared for any eventuality with its integrated air pump, just in case. Monitor live cycling data on its crystal clear display. And yes, it's waterproof. The HIMO Z20 is a powerful lightweight e-bike for any situation. Release your inner adventurer. Your companion is waiting.